Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to divide polynomials. So before we get into the notes, I want you to just listen to me and just kind of show you a few things first. So if I had the trinomial 4x squared minus 8x plus 6 and I wanted to divide it by 2, I would take each of the terms inside the trinomial and divide them by 2. So 4x squared divided by 2, I would divide the coefficients and I would get 2x squared. And 8 divided by 2 is, a negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4, and I would have my x, and then 6 divided by 2 would be 3. And that would be my answer. Okay, so we start out easy, we're just dividing by a constant. Now, if I want to divide by a coefficient with a variable, a term, 3x, I'm actually going to write 3x underneath each one, okay? 6x to the third divided by 3x. Now I want you to be careful because we're dividing here. So it's actually the coefficient that we're dividing, 6 divided by 3, we get 2. And then we have x third divided by x. Well, our rule is for exponents, you subtract the exponent of the numerator, and you subtract the exponent from the denominator from the numerator. So it's 3 minus 1, so it would be 2x squared plus 9 divided by 3 is 3, and x squared divided by x would be x. So that would be my answer there. Okay. I'm going to give you another example because some kids start to get a little confused with this. But you're just using your rules of exponents. So say I had 5x to the third power minus 10x squared, okay, plus 15x minus 25. Okay, and I want to take all of that and I want to divide it by, say, 5x. Okay, so again, we're going to take, even though we're writing it like this, we're going to take each of the terms and divide it by 5x. So 5x to the third will be divided by 5x minus 10x squared divided by 5x plus 15x divided by 5x minus 25 divided by 5x. Okay, so when we did this, 5x to the third divided by 5x would be 1x squared. Negative 10 divided by 5 would be a negative 2, and it would just be 2x, because 2 minus 1 is 1. 15x divided by 5x would be 3, okay? But then 25 divided by 5x would actually be negative 5, and it would be x to the negative 1. Okay, our final answer can't have a negative exponent, so remembering our rule of exponents, we're actually going to rewrite this as x squared minus 2x plus 3 minus 5 divided by x. So only the last term has that fraction because we take the reciprocal and we move it to the bottom. Okay, looking at our notes, okay, 66A for today, we're dividing